Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious savory pheasant and quail stir fry that tastes like chicken, so let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make a delicious savory pheasant and quail stir fry, we have about 2 pounds of pheasant and quail meat, right? And we're going to slice that up nice and thin to make our stir fry. And back here we have our green onions. Right, there's about 3 there that we saved the leafy part and the stem separate, and some ginger, and 2 sticks of celery that we sliced up like matchsticks, right, and 1 red bell pepper and 1 sweet onion that we sliced up. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of this aside. Alright, pheasant has a delicious, richer flavor than chicken, so it's going to add a lot of flavor to our stir fry today. And the quail is about the same, maybe just a hair richer, right? You know, more flavor, but it really does taste good. And it has a delicate texture, it's really nice, and it's easy to slice. So let's go ahead and slice it up. Alright, it looks like some of these is already kind of in strips, see 'em? So we're going to go ahead and slice them up. Just like this. Put them over here. And we'll do the same to this piece. Now they're a lean bird, right? So there's hardly any fat on them. Just keep slicing it up until you're all done. Yep. Now look at this. This is a beautiful breast. Really nice. It's been cut really nice. Trimmed off good. And it's going to add a lot of flavor, like I said. So let's go ahead and slice this up. Take that piece off first, then we'll turn it, and we'll go down here like this. Alright, let me move these aside for a little bit, okay, so you can see better. Put these right up here. Now we sliced them one way, now we're going to slice them the other way. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. And we'll do the same to this piece. Really nice. Nice and lean, guys. Nice. Okay, let's cut them the other way. Okay, let's see what we can do with this one. Cut this piece off. Alright, let's go ahead and we cut that in thirds, right? Okay, let's do our quail. Now this is kind of small, but we'll cut it in half. And maybe in half again. Alright. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, that's our last piece of quail, right? So let's go ahead and Slice that. Beautiful. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's bring in a nice bowl. And we'll get our quail meat and put it right in there. And our pheasant meat, right? Well, that's a lot. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, there's our pheasant and quail all sliced up nice. Now we're going to make a delicious marinade for this. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now you could mix that with a spoon, but I like to use my hand, so let's get in there and mix it up. Boy, that's a lot of meat there. Now keep mixing until you don't see any of the cornstarch or the baking soda. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, let's go ahead and put our pheasant and quail aside and let that marinade do its work. Alright, and for the soy sauce mixture, we have a 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Let's put that in there. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Alright, let's go ahead and mix that up. This is going to add a lot of flavor to our stir fry here today, with the red pepper flakes and the black pepper and the oyster sauce. And that cornstarch is going to thicken everything up nicely and make a nice sauce. Beautiful. Okay, that looks good. Alright, there's our soy sauce mixture. And now all we have to do is start stir frying. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our large Lodge cast iron skillet, and we're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to let our pan heat up. Okay, our pan's hot enough. Now we're going to go ahead and add some peanut oil to the pan. And we're going to take our nice red bell pepper and onions, and we're going to put them right in there. Alright, we're looking to stir fry these quickly so they get a little tender, but yet still crunchy, right? Okay. Now we're going to take our celery that we sliced up like matchsticks, and we're going to put them in there. And our green onion bottoms, put them in. Okay, they're looking really good, so let's go ahead and get them out of there, okay? Alright, there's our vegetables all done up nice. Let's put them aside. Alright, now put a little more oil if you need to. And we're going to go ahead and take our marinated pheasant and quail and put that right in there. Alright, now we're going to quickly stir fry this, because they're kind of thin, right? They won't take too long to cook. Okay, they're looking really good. Okay, let's go ahead and add our ginger. Boy, that's starting to smell good. Let's stir fry that in there. Okay. Okay, I think our pheasant and quail is done. They smell wonderful. Alright, let's lower our burner temperature to medium-low. And we're going to go ahead and put all our vegetables back in there. Alright guys, now this is a meal for 4 people tonight, so it should be tasty. If you never had quail and pheasant, just go ahead and, you know, pick up some at your local game store, right? Yeah, where they quarter up like deer meat and all that. They should have them. Okay, that looks wonderful. Now we're going to take our delicious soy sauce mixture and we're going to mix that up because there's cornstarch in there. Okay. And we're going to pour that right in there. And we'll mix that in. Now that should thicken that sauce up really nicely and add a lot of flavor with all the red pepper flakes and the black pepper and all those seasonings, right? The oyster sauce. That's going to be beautiful. And it's starting to thicken already, guys. Let me see if I can show you. Oh yeah, beautiful. Boy, does that look nice? And that smells wonderful. Okay, let's go ahead and put a few of our green onion leaves on top, just to make it look pretty. Plus, they taste good. Boy, does that look good. And I can't wait to have a taste of this, so let's go ahead and plate this up and have a taste. Okay, guys, here it is. Look at that. That's our delicious savory pheasant and quail stir fry. And let me tell you, I bet you this is going to taste just like chicken or even better because it has a nice little bit of extra flavor there, right? Alright, I can't wait to have a taste of this, so let's get into a bite and see how it is. We'll have maybe a red pepper and a piece of what looks to be pheasant. Alright, beautiful right there. Okay, let's have a taste. Boy, is that tasty. And I'm going to tell you, I think that's better than chicken. Yep. I can't wait to serve this up to our guests, and maybe I'll tell them it's chicken, and they might not even know, right? Then I'll tell them later that it's pheasant and quail, right? All right, let's put this aside for a minute, and we'll make up a nice serving plate. All right, and we're going to be serving that up on a nice bed of rice today. Doesn't that look good? Alright, let's put a few more of our green onions on top, right? Make it look pretty. Alright, there's our delicious savory pheasant and quail stir fry, and boy is that tasty. And look at that serving. That's really a nice serving for one person, right? Yep, they're not going to go away from the table hungry, I bet you. Alright, you know to go good with this, since we're having this for a delicious dinner? You may have guessed this one. We're having a nice chilled glass of white wine with this one. Doesn't that sound good? Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious savory pheasant and quail stir fry. That's what's for dinner tonight. Boy, does that sound good. Yep. I just gotta have another little taste. Look at this, guys. Wow. Is that a nice bite? Alright, let me have another taste. Is that delicious? Catch you on the next one.